Hello folks, Dave Schulte here with the Twin Home Experts, a Bath Planet dealer. Wanted to go ahead and answer that question we get often. What does Bath Planet cost? Well, I'm here in our bathroom showroom and I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the features and benefits of what really dictates the pricing or your investment when it comes to a Bath Planet system. And right here, we're starting with our subway tile, or a solid white tile with no doors and a curtain. You also have an option to go with a nice custom door with a corner seat, fully wrapped with one light and a couple of soap shelves, to one of our top of the line system here. This is a much larger shower that we custom built with a recessed shower shampoo niche, a decorative border. You've got a stainless steel brush nickel handheld spray. You've got a rain shower head. You've got LED lights and this awesome barn door here. Two fixed panels, a tub, to oil bronze, and if you've got a window, we went ahead and we can add a decorative window trim kit, all the way to mixing our nice high-tech polymer with some existing tile that you may have, with custom glass cuts, again, your ceiling wrapped with lighting. So it really depends on all the bells and whistles that you want, but we're seeing the Bath Planet cost as low as about $6,000 and as high as about $15,000. Well folks, hopefully that answered your question on what a Bath Planet investment cost. As always, thanks for watching.